In this video, we are going to concatenate Pandas data frame preferentially. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for how to concatenate Pandas data frame preferentially. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. This use case requires Pandas library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. Here we are importing the Pandas library. The code then creates two Pandas data frame objects, df1 and df2. The df1 data frame has two columns named ID and time and contains 4 rows of data, while the df2 data frame also has two columns named ID and time and contains 4 different rows of the data. Now the pd.concat method is used to concatenate the two data frames vertically, resulting in a new data frame. Let's run the code now. And you have concatenated Pandas data frame preferentially.